Mintos Personal Loan Review, Usage Experience are in the description. Mintos is a peer-to-peer lending platform that connects investors with borrowers seeking personal loans. While Mintos itself doesn't directly issue loans, it acts as an intermediary, offering access to a range of personal loans provided by various lending companies worldwide. The platform allows users to invest in loans with returns ranging from 5 to 12% annually, depending on the loan type and country. For borrowers, Mintos offers personal loans with competitive interest rates and flexible repayment terms, typically between 1 to 5 years. The loans are available in multiple currencies, allowing borrowers to access funds from different regions. The application process is simple. Borrowers need to submit an application through one of Mintos's lending partners. If approved, funds are typically disbursed within a few days, depending on the lender's terms. The loan amounts generally range from €500 to €25,000, with APRs starting from around 5.99%. As the platform focuses on international lending, the availability of loans may vary depending on the country and its regulations. Mintos is ideal for those looking for a quick personal loan and who may not qualify through traditional banks, as the platform works with a variety of lenders catering to different financial needs. One of the key features of Mintos is its transparency in lending. It provides detailed information about the loan originators, interest rates, and associated risks. However, for investors, the platform requires a certain level of financial knowledge to make informed decisions. For borrowers, the platform's downside is that it can come with higher interest rates compared to traditional banks. Overall, Mintos is a solid option for individuals looking for fast personal loans with flexible terms or investors seeking returns from loan investments. It's not ideal for those looking for low-interest, long-term loans, but offers a reliable alternative for those in need of short-term funding. Check the links in the description for more details.